According to legend, Kathak, like other classical dances of India, had its origin when the Lord of Dance, Shiva, danced as Nataraj. Brahma, the Lord of all creation, distilled the essence of the four Vedas and composed the fifth Veda, the Natya Veda. Brahma revealed it to Bharat Muni, who wrote the Natya Shastra, the great treatise on dance and drama, music and musical instruments, costume and stagecraft. Dance, along with music and all the other arts, is, according to the Shastras, a form of yoga, a ritual of the body, leading to concentration of the mind and to ultimate bliss. After the dance came down to the people through the chosen few, it became part of temple ritual. The Natya Mandap in the temple, where the dancers danced, was a hallowed place. The dancers were dedicated to the gods. Then came a time in our history when the Bhakti cult spread among the people. The dancers of the temple came out to the open places. Radha and Krishna, the divine lovers, dominated the lives of the people. Songs and poems were lavished on them. Radha and Krishna lived and loved through dance. Ganapati is the lord who prevents obstacles. According to time-honored tradition, every Kathak recital begins with Ganesh Vandana, a composition in praise of Lord Ganesha.
गौरी नंदन शरत मोदक भुजाचार विभूषण जड़त मुकट कट पीत सोहत मूसा वाहन दुख विनाश जय 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 जगत रक्षक जगपति ममरि को ज्ञान दाता उमगनाथ काली यादा दतिया आदि यादा दति कागित नमो दर एक दंत काली यादा दतिया आदि यादा दति कागित नमो दर एक दंत काली यादा दतिया आदि यादा दतिया कागित नमो दर एक दंत था
Thaat in Kathak means a graceful presentation or stance, involving exquisite and subtle movements of eyes and eyebrows, neck and wrists. With Ahmad begins a rhythmic prologue consisting of pure dance, nritta. Paramelu is a blending of the sound syllables of various percussion instruments with natwari bowls or the drum wordings. In the Gat, the dancer interprets an idea or a theme through facial expressions and stylized movements and stances. Gat Nikas conveys in lyrical form the interpretation of the song. Paran is a forceful composition of pure dance, embodying vigorous movement. This Chakradar Paran brings out the intricate beauty of the composition. Tatkar is always the last item in a Kathak performance, a finale in complicated rhythmic footwork. With the coming of the Mughals, many changes took place in the country. Kathak too was transformed. Dancers paid homage to rulers instead of gods. Salami was added to the tradition of Kathak, and there was more emphasis on abstract nritya rather than thematic nritya. The pleated skirt became a new mode of dress for a Kathak dancer. It was during the last century, at the court of Wajid Ali Shah, that the foundations of the Kathak that we know today were laid. Wajid Ali Shah promoted a new fervor in Kathak and restored it to its original greatness. Wajid Ali Shah was the patron of Maharaj Thakur Prasad Ji and his nephews, Binda Deen Ji, Kalka Prasad Ji, and Bhairo Prasad Ji, the great masters of Kathak, whose descendants continue to be the greatest exponents of Kathak. In this century, it was Madame Menaka who put Kathak on the world map when she danced at the Berlin Olympiad in 1936. Rendering a Thumri through Abhinaya is Shambhu Maharaj, the third of Kalka Prasad's grandsons.
झगड़ा हमसे पन घट नहीं जान देते, देखते सब नारी मोरी बहिया क्यों गहे रे, काहे रोकत डगर तारे, बिनती करूं मैं नाही वो मानत, सुनत नाही मेरी, छीन लीनो है गले को हार, मांगो नाही दे रे, जिंदा देखो ढीठ नगर, जिंदा देखो ढीठ नगर, बरबस मोरी लाज लेते, दूंगी दुहाई अब ही जाए नंद जी के जेरे, काहे रोकत डगर तारे काहे।
The tradition of Kathak continues. Among the many legends that are portrayed in Kathak about Lord Krishna is the legend of the destruction of Kaliya, the embodiment of all evil, by Krishna. The Kaliya Mardan Gat is in the Tandava style. It is full of forceful gestures and virile movement, culminating in Krishna's dance of victory over the hood of Kaliya.
जैन के संग कुंद के बालक जमुना जल बैठे धायते, नाद नादनी करत है क्रीड़ा हम उपरे जहाँ जायते, धीरे 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 धातित धीरे धीरे नाचित तादन तिकट धादिता कर धादिता धन तिकट धादिता कर धादिता धन तिकट धादिता कर धादिता। जब उठे जल ही के राजा इंद्र जल थर्राया, प्रभु के मुकुट को जप्त तीनों शब्द ताल बजाइया, दो मिलके द्वंद तीनों राग भेद सुहाइया, सहस पानी प्रतिनित्य तीनों प्रीत शब्द उचारिया, अग्नि धाग चित तागने ताग चित तीजना नागन तिकट कुन नाना तिकट ताघन ताघन दाता गई। काली के फनन ऊपर निर्गत गोपाल लाल, कुछ भी कहीं न जात समन मन मोहे, साधे से करत हरत सबके चित दात जात, सुर नर मुनि जन सोहे, उनक झुनक नुपुर धुनी उठत उठत पैंजनी पग ठुमक ठुमक किंकणी कटिबाजत चित परखे, विद्याधर गंधर्व किन्नर जहाँ उभटत कत जय 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 भाक सुपुर बधु पुष्प परखे, करत जो जो मारे लात वेतन अवकाश प्रभु नाचत गति में, धागड़ा नदित गिरा न धागड़ धागड़ धुमकर नांदा देई तब छई, तांडवतति मुन्नन पर निरत बन मार, पम 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 पग पटक पम 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 पनन ऊपर बिंद करत नाग वधु आली, सन 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 सनकादिक नन्नन नन्नारिदादि गंग 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 प्रभ कभी देख ताली, सूरदास प्रभु की पानी किं 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 जान चन 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 चरण भरत अभय भयो काली।